The arraignment of former governor of Kaduna State, Mr. El-Rufai, at the Federal High Court comes exactly 34 days after he was taken into custody by the Independent Corrupt Practices and Other Related Offences on February 18, 2026. The former governor arrived at the court at about 9 a.m. amid tight security and proceeded to the courtroom where journalists were barred from entry. Although about 10 charges were initially filed by the ICPC against El-Rufai, only one count was eventually pursued against the former governor. The charges were mainly about financial misconduct, including deposits into domiciliary accounts and how his earnings were handled. At the court session, counsel to the defendant, Mr. Akpan, urged the court to grant his client bail, citing constitutional rights and the need to allow the former governor adequate time to prepare his defense. However, the prosecution opposed the application, arguing that the charges against Mr. El-Rufai are serious and that granting bail could interfere with ongoing investigations. Legal representatives on both sides addressed the court extensively, prompting the judge, Justice Rilwan Aikawa, to reserve ruling on the matter. Following the submissions, the judge adjourned the case to March 31, 2026, when a ruling on the bail application is expected.
What we have is that they applied to arraign, and I respectfully pointed out that since Malam El-Rufai has proceedings pending with respect to the judge, so the judge cannot proceed. The judge, in his wisdom, decided to proceed with the arraignment, and in his own wisdom also adjourned the matter for the applications that may be pending to be heard on the 31st of March.
Ahead of El-Rufai's arraignment, security presence in the Kaduna State capital and around the court was significantly heightened, with armed personnel stationed at key entry points as supporters and family members gathered within the court premises to witness the trial of their father and leader.
I have the pleasure of representing Kaduna North, and the supporters were there, including former commissioners like Haji Hafsat Baba, Chief of Staff Alhaji Bashir Saidu, and others that could not make it. We're just here in solidarity. Malam, to us, is the father of modern Kaduna. I'm sure you can see all the roads when you all drove here. So I just had to support him, and we believe in the judicial process and the rule of law.
We want to also assure Nigerians and well-wishers that he is in good health and he's happy, and he looks forward to when he will be free to show his immense appreciation for all the love, the prayers, the support that has been given to him and to his family, that we hope that Nigeria will be a better place.
The court is expected to deliver its decision on the bail application at the next hearing.